was the night before New Year's, and all through the fucking projects, not a handgun was silent, not even a tech. Outsiders were stuck by enemies who put fear and blasted on the spot before the pigs were dead. You know hoods, robbers, snipers, new in sight. Fuck blue and white, they escaped before them flashed the fucking lights. Gunshots shatter first floor window panes. Shells hit the blood stain the dice game. Whether broke calisthenic, any style you said it. Beat niggas toothless, physically cut up like gooses. But with iron on the side, thugs took no excuses. Therefore, 52 hand blocks of useless. Links snatched off necks, scars on throats. Jackies took after bullet rips coats.
Always on the go.
The cold from the steel made him fold and squill. Once the metal hit the temple of his grill, construction worker who was caught for his farmer. No time to swing the hammer that was hanging from his farmers. In his bug, how some niggas catch slugs and pockets dug from everything except check stubs, and it does sound ill like wars in Brownsville or fatal robberies in Red Hook where feds look for fugitives to shoot cops. Niggas laying on rooftops for his cream he stashed in a shoebox when he was hot and the strip was built. The young killers you don't suspect, so cops creep like caterpillars and born thieves. They hooded with extra bullets. Those who try to flee, they hit the
but it's looking good and it's feeling even better.
Similar to hitmen who pull out texts and then drop those crack like tacos from Mexican. Rapping like recipients casting checks again. Back to the motherfucking spot on Lexington.
I come with the ammo, the real whammo, slammo, stuff that I be dropping.